Hi everyone, it's Kristy from KristyCoromandel.com and welcome to this month's class kit to go. A class kit to go, if you haven't done one before, is where I pretty much package everything and all the supplies that you need, all the consumable supplies that you need to create 4 projects, and then you just provide the ink and the stamp set yourself. So this month we're going to be featuring the Falling Flower stamp set, and I'm going to show you multiple ways in which you can actually use your outline stamped images without having to watercolor. So we're going to be colouring it in using our ink pads, using a bit of sponging, and using our coloured cardstock as well to provide a variety of different ideas and techniques to utilize those outline stamped images. Now I have also used the One Big Meaning stamp set as my greetings, so you will need that stamp set as well, and plus some coloured ink as well, which I'll list for you at the bottom here of the consumable, the supplies that you would need yourself. Now there are 3 ways in which you can purchase your class kit, and number 1 is the all-inclusive kit. And the all-inclusive kit actually includes the Falling Flowers stamp set in clear mount. You'll receive the project tutorials to create these 4 cards, along with all the consumable supplies. So that's all the cardstock and embellishments that you see you'll get in your kit. You'll also receive access to an online forum with video tutorials on how to create each of these cards with PDF handouts as well. So that's option number 1, and that costs $56. Now option number 2 is for those that may already have the stamp set and just want to be able to create the card kit themselves. So you will receive the consumable items to create these 4 projects, plus access to our online class and PDF handouts for you as well. And that class costs $27. Now if you live international or you already have all the cardstock and consumable supplies at hand, you may just want to purchase the online version, and that is access to our online video tutorials and the PDF handouts, and that class is $20 all up. So registration is open on the 1st of March and they will close on Friday the 9th of March. This is a pre-order only, as I cannot hold stock at all. So once all those orders are in, I will order the supplies, I will cut and prep everything and be able to post them out to you on or before the 19th of March. So check the list down below and sign up to which class that you would like, and I look forward to seeing you in the online classroom.